Hello again. In this lecture we'll be talking about tables. Previously, tables were used to format and lay out web pages. We're talking late 90s, early 2000. This is no longer the case, and you should absolutely not do that. You could say that after that you started using div tags with various IDs and classifications with CSS to layout, and now layout goes more to maybe still using div but using the new HTML5 tags such as section, header, footer, nav tag, and so forth, so you can semantically divide up your page. But tables still exist, but now we're going to strictly use them for storing tabular data, presenting information in some way like an Excel file or tables. So the basics here, I've copied the code from the course for this lecture, and as we can see, the table tag has to be in the body so it's shown, and then we can start with the table tag encloses everything. Then the table tag in itself consists of a head and a body. The head can be the head row where you can format it differently. I'll show you how to do that shortly. Quick examples. But in the head you have TR, which is the same for the head or the body. TR stands for table row, and each row you add a TD. It's tabular data. We'll call it a column. So this one says that the head section has one row of 4 columns. That's the case. We have the head. We'll open the body here. Then we have the body. So here we have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, as you can see here, and each row consists of 4 columns. So a little symmetrical table. If we wanted to look at this, you open it, and there we can see the title row here is the header, and then we have row 1, column 1, and so forth down through it. And then if you want to add new data to your tables, all you do simply is, I'm not going to take the time, we just copy the entire row, paste it there, save it, then check it out. We've added a new row. I haven't changed the information in the row, so it says row 4, but it's technically row 5 in this case. So I encourage you, once again, to download this code, copy, experiment with tabs, or tables, I mean. And also, you can experiment with, the body tag is moved around here, formatting it, because if you look at that table, it's not so exciting to look at. But if we do some simple styling, you can make things a lot more, especially if we add borders to the table. I won't do that, but I'll just start with, if we say TR, and now my keyboard's locking up, so we'll skip that and we'll do it right here, just so I can show you style. Background color equal with blue. And then we refresh. So forth. So you can style the rows differently. You can, of course, set different font families, the typeface of the columns and rows. You can do the header to contrast against the body and so forth. So just experiment and become acquainted with tables.